What if you could turn dating app struggles into a $9,000 a month business without writing a single profile yourself? That's exactly what Maya did with her AI-powered dating profile writing service. And she's not alone in this innovative venture. The dating app market is a multi-billion-dollar industry with over 350 million users worldwide, yet many struggle to create compelling profiles. Maya started her service after friends consistently asked, "Can you help me sound more interesting?" highlighting a widespread need. This common pain point, the struggle to stand out, sparked her idea. Many online daters seek serious relationships, but find it hard to make an impact. Instead of ghostwriting manually, she built a custom AI system trained on hundreds of successful profiles across Hinge, Bumble, and Tinder. Her innovative approach leveraged AI for efficiency, transforming a manual, time-consuming task into a scalable solution. She fed it real examples of hooks that got matches, bios that sparked conversations, and photo captions that felt authentic, not generic. Clients fill out a short form detailing personality traits, dating goals, hobbies, and deal breakers. The AI then generates 3 to 5 tailored bio options, 10+ prompt responses, and even photo caption suggestions. Maya then refines these AI-generated drafts to ensure they sound authentic and human, adding her unique touch. The final product feels 100% human because it is AI drafts. She refines, ensuring genuine connection. She charges $149 for a full profile package, positioning it as premium coaching, not cheap automation. This premium pricing strategy reflects the value of personalized, high-quality service in a competitive market. Maya markets quietly on Instagram and Reddit communities like r/dating advice, focusing on people frustrated with ghosting or low match rates. This targeted approach allows her to efficiently reach her ideal customer base and demonstrate the value of her service. Within 3 months, she hit 60 clients per month, generating $9,000 in revenue, working just 10 hours a week. The secret? She's not selling AI. She's selling confidence, strategy, and psychology with AI as her research assistant. In a world where dating apps feel soulless, her human touch makes all the difference, creating genuine connections. For writers, coaches, or people-persons with an eye for authenticity, Maya's story offers a blueprint for productizing empathy at scale. Key insights for creating a similar AI-driven business include identifying a specific niche and leveraging AI for efficiency. It's also crucial to maintain a human touch, target marketing efforts effectively, and offer premium pricing for your valuable service. If you found this eye-opening, please like this video, share it with a wordsmith or dating coach, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI-powered entrepreneurship, ethical side hustles, and innovation that turns human insight into income. Let's build with heart and smarts, together transforming challenges into lucrative opportunities.